You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from French originally. It means a dolphin. This is French for a dolphin, and this is also the name given to the heir of the King of France. It used to be when there was a kingdom in France. The French pronunciation first, and then how it's pronounced in English. Dauphin is the French pronunciation. Dauphin. In English, this un sound doesn't really exist, so it's usually pronounced as Dauphin. All right, the Dauphin of the throne, although it can also be pronounced as Dauphin, which sounds a bit more French. In French, Dauphin. It's up to you how you want to pronounce it. Dauphin is the easiest to pronounce in English, but you can say Dauphin as well. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.